Pops, what'd you get on a rattle trap?
A speck rooney. Ain't the first one I ever caught on a rattle. That's right, Pops. I need to white thing right there.
The mini Pops? Oh, you got it?
I have to extend my fingers.
Dude, where would you say we're going? Where? I can't tell. Is my hat crooked? Dad, how big is this? You just caught it? How big is it? 2 pounds? You want me to throw him back or you want to throw? Here, you want to kiss him for good luck? I'll kiss him for good luck. Come on, man. I was washing my hands off.
A creature-style bait called the shrimp. I
happened,
knew I
Dad?
had to try it out. And after taking this thing out of the package and taking a closer look at this thing,
Yeah. I set the hook and missed him. I had him for a second, missed him.
This one's got something wrong with it. Look at it.
Yeah, look how fat he is. They're eating that shad good.
They're
That's a whole control mode.
okay. Wait, is this gill sharp?
It'll be alright. Let's grab him. Be a bitch.
You think if you stuck your finger in there, you'd take it
You
off?
would bite it. You wouldn't take it off, but it's not feel good.
I'm thinking about it. Oh.
Maybe that's the key. Stop getting bites and leave and come back.